This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Awesome potential in this split-level home. New HVAC system 2020. New windows installed in 2009. Roof replaced 2009. The 3 bedrooms and downstairs living room feature Pergo flooring. Refrigerator in the kitchen stays. Home is being sold as is and is reflected in the list price. Deck needs repairs and is unsafe to walk on. Deck is off the upper level dining room. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.